Hello, first graders, and happy Earth Day. It's Miss Spire, and today in handwriting, we are going to talk about capital letters. We're going to look at what words need to be capitalized and when they need to be capital. So let's get started. I am going to need some help. So the first thing that we're going to capitalize are our initials. My initials are, but how do I figure out what my initials are? I need to think about my first name and the first letter of my name. My first name is Natalie, and Natalie starts with an N, so my first initial is an N. Then I need to move on to my middle name. Some of us have one middle name, some of us have more than one, and some of us don't have a middle name at all, and that's okay. But my middle name starts with an M, so my second initial is an M. Then my last initial would be my last name, and my last name is Byer. And that starts with a B, so my last initial is a B. So my initials are NMB for my first name, my middle name, and my last name. So what are your initials? Wonderful. Let's continue. My name is, anytime I am writing my name, it needs to be capital. So I will write my name in my neatest handwriting. And then I always need to add my sentence with a ending punctuation. So I will write a period. My friend is. Anytime I am writing a friend's name, it also needs to be capitalized. I have a lot of friends. I'm sure all of us do in first grade. I know we have friends in other classes and maybe even in other grades or other schools, but I'm going to say that my friend is Miss Roman. Even though I'm friends with all of the first grade teachers, I could have written all of their names here. And then I will end my sentence with a period. But notice that when I wrote Miss Roatman's name, I used a capital R and a capital M because it's her name. I live in. When I am talking about a place, I need to use a capital letter. So I live in Connecticut. So I'm going to use my best first grade spelling to spell Connecticut. Some of us live in New York. Some of us live in Manhattan. Some of us live in Westchester. Some of us, live in the Bronx. We live all over. So you will decide, where do I live? And it needs to start with a capital letter. And then I will add my ending punctuation. Today is, what's today's date, first graders? I'm going to write it and then let's check your work. Is this what you wrote? Today is April 22nd, 2020. Or I should say, is this what you said? My birthday is in. For this last one, I want to use an abbreviation. So I want to think back to what we did on Monday in handwriting and abbreviate the month of my birthday. I was born in January. So how would I abbreviate January? A capital letter, J-A-N, and then my abbreviation needs to have that period. Okay, first graders, some of us have already done this in our classrooms, and that's okay. Some of us haven't yet, so you can go ahead and fill in your sheet. But all of us will do the worksheet on our PowerSchool learning page. It is going to look like this. I will explain to you what to do on this sheet. But the first thing I need to do before I can even get started is write my name. And then I need to write the date. April 22nd, 2020. Okay, before I can get started copying, I need to fill in these blanks. My name is Miss Beyer. Okay. Now, what I need to do is copy this entire sentence below it. So I'm not just copying what my name is, but I'm copying the entire sentence, including the space that I had to fill in, my name. I think some of us last time only wrote it one time. I noticed that there are more lines below it. So once I'm done writing it once, can't forget my ending punctuation, I need to write it a second time and a third time. Then I'll move to the next one. My friend is. I will fill in the blank, and then I will write it not once, not twice, but 3 times, the whole sentence. Then I will move on to the next one. I would like to travel to, I can pick anywhere in the world. I would love to travel to Italy. Notice that I'm using a capital letter when I spell the word Italy because it is the name of a place. Then I would copy this entire sentence 3 times below it. Give me a big thumbs up if you understand what we're doing, first graders. Wonderful. We are copying each full sentence 3 times below it in our absolute neatest handwriting. Then when we're done, we will upload it to Google Classroom. Okay, enjoy handwriting and the rest of your day. Bye, first graders.